we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Does that look like fun? I can get you some of that. If you need to have your GVM checked on your caravan or camper, I highly recommend this company, WeighForward. His name is Cameron. He came to where I was and weighed my vehicle in the car park. I got a thorough report on it and I know exactly where my weight issues are with the camper, and I will have to have further engineering done, which we'll chase in another episode. But I just wanted to put a plug in here for Cameron because he was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So his information is just on that page just before. If you want to just dial back, you can get him there. There was a massive storm coming through, and the best place for that is actually on the coast, so you can watch it. I stayed at the Blue Wren in Ulverstone. These are pictures of Ulverstone at the moment. And the Blue Wren Caravan Park was a lovely little short stay that I was there for 2 nights. They've got a cafe there and everything. Fully contained vehicles, but very nice place to be. After that, I started to head my way down for Sheffield, basically, and this is just a little stop on the way. It was Braddons Lookout. It was really actually nice to see just the agriculture or the way the land was laying there. So it is worth a visit to have a look at the Braddons Lookout. Hi all, I'm at Devil's Peak Dam. That's what it's called. It's another one of those things where, well, I'll play you the footage while I'm talking and getting over this fence. Because I'm not really good at getting over fences anymore. I'll play you the footage from the drive up here. It's just pretty cool. There's actually 2 free campsites and you can park up there for the night with your caravan. There was people launching jet skis and paddle boards and kayaks and everything on that lake, and it was just like a real family orientated place. So I obviously chose to see the dam, which is on the other side, but if you go to the other side you can go camping as well. Sheffield is a must-see. The whole town is kind of in keeping with this really quaint feel, and they're all on board with it. You can see by the pictures it's like a heritage of Sheffield that they're trying to sort of showcase, and they've done it so beautifully. It's really worth a trip to have a little look through this town. The shops are so gorgeous. supposed to start this week with a cave trip, but unfortunately after I had driven, I don't know, like an hour to get there, they told me that you actually have to book ahead, so I didn't do that. But I found this lovely cafe and it was very nice in the hills. Oh, so relaxing. I recommend. Hi Vampers, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd leave this video running in the background and have a chat with you with a question that I get asked the most is, where do I sleep at night? So I am not a fan of caravan parks. I've nothing against them, but I have a fully contained motorhome, which means I don't require anything in order to live my day-to-day. So although it's nice to have power, does make life a little easier, but only for technology. I don't need it for anything else. Really the main thing I plug in for is my computer when I'm doing the editings, because the editing takes about 10 hours and I'll go through probably 3 battery charges in that time. So what I was thinking is, since I am posting all the locations of where I'm going in Tasmania, I think to keep it congruent, I should probably post where I stay as well. So if you are also self-contained, you can at least see what's in the area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some sort of titling and location of where I stay each night, just so you can see if you want to take along that path. I hope that's helpful to you. We'll see how it goes. Let me know in the comments if it's helpful. If it's not, I'll just ditch it out. Since we did an intro on accommodation overnight, here's a perler. This is the Punchbowl Reserve, and it's got an overflow car park that you can stay in overnight for free. Limitations of 1 night, I think. It might be 2 nights, some of them are 2. And it's absolutely free, and this is, you just walk down the hill and you're at this park, and it's stunning. It's just beautiful. So thank you, Launceston, for this little RV stay. I think it was awesome. I really enjoyed it. Like rain falling soft from the sky. This is one of those most beautiful places of reflection in the park. It's called the Halo Seat. It was made as a place of reflection for a bereaved brother, I believe. It was so gorgeous, really, really touching. Coming up next on Vamped Van Chronicles, I meet up with Heather and Ali, and we make our way through Youngtown, Nile, Campbelltown, Ross, I should say, and Oatlands. Look at some old houses and some beautiful gardens, and eat a few Devonshire teas, even some with whiskey in them. Oh, so bright and awake, my heart left. Hope you've enjoyed coming on this little journey with us. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. See you next week.